If your car still starts, still drives, and shows no warning lights, you think you're safe. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most cars don't die suddenly. They're slowly murdered by everyday habits you repeat without thinking. And by the time the dashboard warns you, the damage is already paid for. Today I'm exposing the silent mistakes that destroy engines, transmissions, and fuel economy. Mistakes new drivers and experienced drivers both make. Stay till the end, because the last habit is the reason many cars never cross 200,000 miles. Let's start with something everyone gets wrong. You wake up, you start the car, you drive off immediately. No noise, no warning, so you assume it's fine. It's not. When an engine is cold, oil is thick. It hasn't reached critical parts yet. Camshaft, bearings, valve train. Driving hard in the first minute is like running with dry joints. I'm not saying warm it for 10 minutes. That's old school nonsense. 20 to 30 seconds. That's it. That tiny pause reduces cold start wear by up to 60%. Most engines don't fail from abuse. They fail from repeated cold stress. Modern cars are smart. Too smart. The ECU is constantly adjusting fuel, timing, airflow, trying to hide problems from you. A weak sensor doesn't trigger a light immediately. Dirty injectors don't throw a code. Bad driving habits don't show up on the dashboard, so drivers relax. But behind the scenes, your car is compensating, burning extra fuel, overworking parts. By the time a warning light appears, your engine has already adapted to bad conditions, and adaptation equals wear. This sentence has killed millions of cars. It still drives fine. Rough idle, normal. Hard shifts, it's an old car. Burning smell, probably nothing. No, cars don't heal themselves. They warn quietly first. Small vibrations turn into mounts failure. Delayed shifts turn into transmission damage. Minor oil consumption turns into piston wear. Ignoring early signs doesn't save money. It delays pain with interest. Right, let's destroy a big myth. You've probably heard folks say, modern oil lasts 10,000 miles. Well, yeah, in perfect conditions maybe, but let's be honest, real driving isn't perfect. Short trips, traffic jams, hot weather, cold starts, and a bit of aggressive acceleration now and then, all of that, it just breaks oil down faster. Oil doesn't just lubricate, you know. It cleans, it cools, and it protects your engine's seals. Old oil, it turns acidic over time. That acid, it quietly eats away at your bearings. So if you want your engine to actually last, aim for oil changes every 5,000 to 6,000 miles for normal driving, and even sooner if you're mostly in the city. Honestly, cheap oil changes now prevent, well, expensive funerals for your engine later. You think fuel economy depends on engine size. Wrong, it depends on habits. Hard acceleration from every stop confuses the ECU into rich fuel mode. Constant short trips never let the engine reach efficiency. And driving with low tire pressure can waste up to 10% fuel silently. Your car isn't thirsty, your habits are. Modern cars learn from you. Throttle response, shift points, idle behavior. But here's the problem. Bad habits teach the system bad behavior. That's why gear changes feel confused, idle becomes unstable, throttle response feels delayed. Sometimes nothing is broken. The system just needs a reset and relearn. Most drivers never do it. Mechanics rarely explain it. And dealerships profit from replacement instead of reset. Here's the habit that kills cars quietly. Ignoring small maintenance because I'll do it later. Later becomes overheating, slipping transmission engine, knocking massive repair bills. Cars reward consistency, not perfection. A car that's cared for a little often outlives a car that's repaired a lot late. Your car doesn't need magic. It needs awareness. No warning light will save you. No mechanic will care more than you. The difference between a dead car and a 300,000-mile survivor is behavior. This channel exists to change that behavior. Welcome to Motor Mindset. If this video changed how you think about cars, hit subscribe, because knowing more means spending less. See you in the next one.